Are you tired of missing out on the best deals? What if I told you that unlocking amazing discounts on your favorite Ugreen products is easier than ever? Picture this: the tech gadgets you've been dreaming of, the accessories that make life simpler, all at prices that will make your heart race with excitement. Now, it's time to turn that dream into reality. Here's how you can grab Ugreen coupon codes, promo codes, and discounts in just 3 simple steps. Keycap 1. Visit promosaver.net, head to this magical website, or check the link in the video description or comments, and step into a world of unbeatable offers. Keycap 2. Choose your perfect deal, browse through a selection of promo codes tailored just for you. Find the one that fits your needs like a glove. Keycap 3. Apply and save big, use your chosen code at checkout, and watch the total drop instantly. Enjoy jaw-dropping savings on premium products. But wait, there's more. These offers are not just about discounts, they're about enhancing your lifestyle. With Ugreen, you're not just buying tech, you're investing in quality, reliability, and innovation. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Visit promosaver.net now and experience the thrill of saving big. Start your year right, because you deserve the best without breaking the bank. Backhand index pointing right, act fast. These deals won't last forever.